largest clade of Gnathifera in terms of species count. They are microscopic animals that can range in size between 4/100ths of a millimeter and 3 millimeters in length, but most are between 1/10 and 1/2 millimeter. They exist in a wide range of bizarre shapes that correlate with their mode of life. There are the globular sac-like floaters. There are the elongated worm-like creepers and swimmers. And there are the sessile types, which are often very diverse in their morphology. Rotifers are a cosmopolitan group, meaning some species of rotifers can be found all over the world, though they commonly inhabit freshwater. Their polygyny is considered to be controversial by some phylogeneticists, and it is possible that some viewers of this tutorial may disagree with how they are placed in the animal kingdom, as the sister group to Micrognathozoa. In some phylogenies, rotifers are confined to only the clades Deloidea and Monogononta, represented collectively here as Eurotitoria. In other phylogenies, the rotifers instead consist of 3 classes, Deloidea, Monogononta, and Sisonidia, but exclude Acanthocephala. In still other classifications, the rotifers are split into the class Hemirotitoria, which includes Deloidea, Acanthocephala, and Sisonidia, and the class Eurotitoria, which includes Monogononta. There are other proposed classifications as well, though their phylogeny is currently in flux and may be revised by the time you view this tutorial. As of the time of its writing, nearly all modern molecular, mitogenomic, and phylogenomic research has concluded that the phylum Rotifera consists of 4 major clades: Deloidea, Monogononta, Sisonidia, and Acanthocephala. Clade Deloidea is considered to be a class by some phylogenists and a subclass by others. It contains the Deloid rotifers that are found in habitats all over the world. It includes one famous individual discovered in the Siberian permafrost that is estimated to be at least 24,000 years old. Once thawed, the rotifer, a member of the genus Adenata, began to reproduce through parthenogenesis. Some members of this clade have survived temperatures as cold as -272 degrees Celsius before being successfully revived, and others have survived going into space and back. They do this through a form of cryptobiosis by significantly reducing their metabolic activity to an undetectable level by drying themselves out. The Deloid rotifers are the most easily recognized rotifers and have a conserved body plan. Clade Sisonidia is made up of only 4 genera. They are the marine rotifers with vestigial or reduced coronae. They have only been found to live in the gills of marine crustaceans and are peculiar among the rotifers in that males and females are both present and equal in size. Clade Monogononta consists of 1,570 described species and is the most diverse rotifer group. They are capable of surviving for long periods of time as dormant embryos, but are unable to enter cryptobiosis like the Deloids. They are primarily free-swimming, though some are sessile as adults. About 25 of these sessile species form aggregations, sometimes referred to as colonies, that can reach up to 3,500 individuals. Finally, clade Acanthocephala, commonly referred to as spiny-headed worms, was for many years considered to be a sister phylum to Rotifera, though more recent studies place them firmly within Rotifera. We will discuss them in more detail in the next tutorial since they are such fascinating creatures. Rotifers are dioecious, meaning they have either male or female reproductive organs. They reproduce sexually, parthenogenetically, or both, which we can call cyclically parthenogenetic. They are sexually dimorphic, and the females are always larger than the males. In some species, this size difference is small, but in others, the female may be up to 30 times the size of the male. In cyclical parthenogenetic species, males may be present only at certain times of the year or absent altogether. Some rotifers have a complex life history. Females in the rotifer clade Monogononta, such as Brachionis plicatillus, produce 2 kinds of eggs. For most of the year, they produce parthenogenetically, meaning that an embryo will develop from an unfertilized egg. This is represented in the diagram by this loop. Potential.
Oh, fuck.